OMG, mga Kuyang Romel Toronto viewers, I'm almost empty. 35 kilometers to go. There you go. Okay, let's see how many liters. For full tank. The price of the regular gas is 126.9 here at Costco Gas, Kirkland. There you go. Let's see how much is a full tank of almost empty gas tank, although it says 34 kilometers to go, but it's red. Hello mga Kuyang Romel Toronto viewers, you are now here in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, the capital of Canada. Here is Ottawa, in the province of Ontario, city of Ottawa. 2 hours from here is Montreal, Quebec, another province of Canada. And we're going to Quebec City, Old Quebec. Oh, only $50.70, 39.95 liters. Thank you. $57. You like your receipt? Press yes. There you go. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Let's see mga Kuyang, how much is the, it says full now. Way better than earlier. There you go. Thank you. Okay, Kuyang Romel Toronto viewers, we have 547 kilometers range going to Montreal and Quebec City. Now it's full tank. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch. Stay tuned. Thank you.